Hello guys, today we're going to talk a little about DRL lights. I have this one for the Vanagon, which I have rebuilt, if you can call it that, and changed the bulb holder from a single bulb to single filament to a dual filament. So I use this kind of bulbs. But now, AliExpress sell this one. And this one has a Singel filament and a resistor pack to avoid problems when the indicator is indicating. You will get a very fast one if you change just the bulb. So this one has a resistor pack inside here, and you have an extra wire that goes into the bulb. So that wire is connected to your parking light, or if you have DRL relays like I have in my Vanagon, then it goes to that pole and it will change to white when you are driving. And every time you indicate, this pole will get a positive signal and it goes to orange, amber. I will show you, but first let's take a look at this. This is a stock indicator light from my Vanagon, and you have this orange bulb which you can remove, and then you have the same bulb but in DRL. Yeah. And this one you can just push in and it will be okay. And then have it back into the holder. When you're installing the bulb into the holder, make sure you feed the wires through this groove, slit. I don't know the English word for it. If not, it will be squeezed somehow. So if you manage to put it like this, it should be straightforward. Let's see. Make sure they are nice and loose. Yep, and there we go. And then you can be able to push them out and in. No squeeze on the wires. Okay, now I have wired it up. And let's see if you put on the power. Here we'll see it will always be white if you connect this one to the positive of the parking light. And then this one is for the indicator, so when I touch this one, it will indicate every time I touch it, touch and release. And when I through, it will switch back to white. Excellent. The only drawback is this one, which gets extremely hot. Already for this 4 times we did it, 3 times. I will show you how the amperage is working. Okay, I will try to keep the camera still here. Let's see. This is the amperage drawn when the light is white. Oh, okay. And when I connect the indicator, let's see, there we have it. And you see 2.4 amps, almost 2.5 amps. And all that amps is because of this resistor, which gets hot. But again, the indicators are only on for a short period of time, so let's see if I remove it. And come on, there we go. And here we are back on white, which is like this. And connect the amber one. This original bulb is drawing 2.16, 17 amps. So that's why you need this resistor bank to make sure the relay is feeling the same resistance. If not, you will have to change the relay to a LED one, like I have to do when I change this to this dual filament lamps. But that is also easy, so and it costs almost nothing. I will provide links for it so you can check it. Okay, so then you can use a standard bulb holder with this hot resistor pack and an extra wire for the driving light. That is, I would think it's good news. Then we don't have to rebuild the system and, like I did when I used this dual bulb. Single bulb works like original, thanks to the resistor pack. Forgot to tell you that inside this box there is also a very long wire which goes from right to left from the in the car, so you don't need to pull any extra wires. Okay guys, there you have it. DRL lights for the Vanagon without modifying some extra wires or something, and you don't need to change the original indicator relay. This one works straight out of the box. Provide links for it up in the corner and down below so you can check out the prices and everything. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.